Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. A lot is happening still on the issue of Southeast. Some hours ago, the governors met over the issue of insecurity. The communique went viral. A lot of Igbos are wondering the strength of the communique. Why up till now they are still very silent over the issue of Nnamdi Kanu's either rearrest, release, or fair hearing in court. And don't also forget that in that meeting of the Southeast, one prominent governor was definitely not seen. His presence also felt. I'm talking about the Anambra State governor. He was neither seen nor his representative sent. That has also generated a lot of dust. But as we speak, IPOB have decided to give a full reply to Nnamdi. Don't forget there's been a communication tussle, counter allegations between them, and they have decided to give this full final one to Nnamdi over that same issue they've been battling words on. And Asari Dokobo have given a special message to Southeast region, and his message seems quite strong. We're going to ram all this into one, but before we do so, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Let's start with what the indigenous people of Biafra said. The indigenous people of Biafra okay, let's start with what IPOB said. IPOB has claimed that the former President General of Ohaneze Igbo linked the group to a series of menaces in the region. The group challenged Nwodo to provide evidence they are behind the menaces in Anambra and Imo State, describing the allegations as fallacious and ridiculous. However, Nwodo had also denied linking IPOB to the violence taking place in Southeast, adding that he has never blamed the group for the insecurity in the region. The Igbo leader added that he has deliberately been silent since he's no longer the Ohaneze leader so as not to affect his successor. But in a statement on Tuesday by its media and publicity secretary Ima Powerful, IPOB tendered an unreserved apology to the former President General of Ohaneze Igbo. The group stated that it has retracted the comment on Nwodo, saying they erroneously attributed comments from Okwezileze Nwodo to him. We wish to apologize to Chief John Nwodo for erroneously attributing the garbage from Okwezileze Nwodo to him. This erroneous mix-up was unintended and is hereby retracted, it said. The pro-Biafran group warned against linking it with the insecurity in the Southeast, particularly in Anambra and Imo State, maintaining that it has no hand in the ugly trend. This is a way to go. I must say it's commendable, judging the fact that the IPOB have decided to apologize, retract their statement. Honestly, it's commendable. But of course, Asari Dokobo have decided to, give it all out to to IPOB. Let's find out exactly what he said. Mojahid Asari Dokobo, a former Niger Delta militant leader, has described the Southeast region as a barren soil and of no economic importance to Nigeria. According to Asari Dokobo, Igbos only have the ability to turn money into money, nothing more. He warned that the peaceful atmosphere needed to ensure businesses thrive is threatened due to the activities of the so-called UGM troubling the Southeast. Southeast Nigeria has almost no substantial resources, or I take that again, no substantial natural resources. The Southeast is almost a barren soil. The Southeast has no outstanding federal importance. The only thing the Igbos in the East have to their advantage is the ability to turn money into more money. But they can only achieve that if the East is peaceful for business, Asari Dokobo said via his Justice Foundation social media page on Tuesday. Today, the Southeast has begun a movement that could turn the East into a desolate desert. To those hailing UGM, you should also know that a bullet knows nobody. All we have to do is sit and watch the show. This is quite disheartening. Don't forget that some hours ago, Meiti Allah called out Southeastern region saying they wanted them out of the region. Now they're out, but there seems to be so much tension and insecurity going on in Southeast. But calling Southeast a barren land, I've taken exception to that. and I will explain that very quickly. If you want to go by natural resources, there's no part of Nigeria or region that is not blessed. Nigeria is a country in countries within the country, and that is blessed with diverse resources. Southeast, for one, Imo State is blessed with natural resources, mineral resources actually, crude oil, yes. Anambra State is also I think it has also joined the Niger Delta group, as in those who produce oil in commercial quantity, and they have gas in numbers. Yes, you heard me. They have a lot of natural gas that is explorable. So saying that the southeast is barren land is tantamount to not knowing much about the geography. And don't forget also that in Ebonyi State, they are richly blessed, and even in commercial quantity, they have lead. That lead, you can use it to produce batteries, car batteries, solar batteries, pencils. So you can imagine how beautiful Ebonyi State has natural resources or mineral resources that can actually fetch them some good money if they're to go by natural resources. Then of course we have diverse lands. We have oil waters. Don't forget there's this River Niger that connects Anambra to Asaba, and that water has its own resources that it gives. It serves a lot of purposes just to harness it. And we can go on and on and on. There's still some tourist centers. Enugu is also blessed with some lovely tourist centers. We can go on and on. There's no part of Southeast that is not blessed. And the most important part he mentioned, which he played down on, is the fact that the Indians have the capacity to turn money into more money. I guess if you can do that as a nation, then you're actually going to be quickly developed. One of the beautiful things about some nations that became, developed a phenomena is because they were able to harness the little they have to make it a nation's destination or the world's destination. A typical example is UAE, United Arab Emirates. They're not even embarking so much on their oil, and they're embarking like Dubai. People keep mentioning Dubai. Dubai is just a city in UAE, is not even the name of a country. And yet, everybody keeps going to Dubai as a place of destination simply because some intelligent folks have decided to make it a destination, tourist destination, and they're chunking good money. So that's to tell you that any country or any tribe that has the capacity to make money from more money, to make more money from money, then that tribe is blessed. That's called human resources, which one of the highest you can ever ask for. If you doubt it, ask United Arab Emirates how they from nothing they brought out a country that is the worst destination. The worst destination. So it's something that nobody should play down on. I don't want to go look down on any tribe. Every tribe are important. All tribes are important, but we always ask for peace. Whatever developmental strive you want to go out for, there must be peace and security in the land to achieve that. That's where we're going to wrap it up. Let's meet in the comment section. What's your take on this? Do have a nice